Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our wonderful friends listening today. It is such a beautiful day to be here.
It really is. The sun is shining, and I am feeling full of energy. How are you doing today, David?
I am doing very well, thank you, Anna. Before we start our conversation, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes. If you enjoy learning English with us, please take a moment to click the subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps our channel grow.
And share this video with your friends. Learning English is always better with friends.
Exactly.
Okay, Anna, let's start. What is the topic of today's episode?
Today's topic is English practice method feels like magic. David, every day people ask me the same thing. How do I speak English naturally? And honestly, they already know what they need, but they ignore the one method that actually works. And it feels almost magical.
Magic, yeah. Because when people try this method, even for one day, they're like, wait, why does this feel so easy? Why didn't anyone tell me this earlier?
Exactly. And today we're revealing it. Not just explaining it, but breaking it down step by step so anyone watching can start using it today.
Let's get straight in. The method we're talking about is called
Echo practice.
Yes, echo practice. And it basically means this. You hear a sentence in English and you repeat it instantly. Same tone, same rhythm, same feeling.
It's like your brain becomes a live echo, copying real English in real time.
And the reason this works is because your brain learns through patterns, not rules, not memorized lists, not grammar charts.
Exactly. You don't learn to speak by studying. You learn to speak by speaking again and again, the way native speakers speak.
Let's be honest, most learners are stuck because they study English like a school subject. Books, notes, memorization, stress.
But speaking doesn't happen on paper. Speaking happens in your mouth, in your ears, in your rhythm. Echo practice activates all of that in just minutes.
And the best part, you don't need long lessons, just tiny, real English moments. That's it. Let me share a funny story. I had a student who spent months memorizing vocabulary lists. Do you know how many words he remembered after all that?
Tell me.
He remembered 4. Only 4, after 3 months.
That's what memorization does. But after we started echo practice, he learned and used more phrases in 5 days than he learned in 2 months.
Because this method forces your brain to use English, not save English in a dusty corner.
Let's explain how it works step by step. Step 1. Choose a small English clip. A movie line, a YouTube short, a podcast sentence, anything.
Step 2. Listen once. Just once. Don't repeat yet. Let your brain catch the sound.
Step 3. Repeat immediately. Same tone, same rhythm, same feeling.
This part feels magical because your brain suddenly starts copying real English rhythm in real time.
Step 4. Repeat the same line 2 or 3 more times.
Not 20 times, not 50, just a few, enough to feel it.
Step 5. Move to another tiny line. The goal is not quantity. The goal is natural flow.
And people ask me, David, what if I sound weird?
Good. If you sound weird, you're learning.
Yes, children sound weird when they copy adults. Actors sound weird when they rehearse. Growth always sounds strange at first.
And some people say, what if someone hears me? Well, let them. They might learn something from you.
Echo practice is all about courage. You open your mouth, you speak, you play with the language, you let yourself sound funny.
Because confidence doesn't come first. Speaking comes first. Confidence comes later.
Let's give them an example line. Something super simple, super natural. Repeat after us.
I get better every time I practice.
Go on, say it out loud. Feel the rhythm.
Yes, don't just hear us, copy us. That's how you grow.
Let's talk about the mistakes people make with this method.
Mistake number 1, choosing long clips. Please don't start with a whole movie scene.
Start tiny. 10 seconds is perfect.
Mistake number 2, trying to be perfect. Perfection is a trap. Progress is what matters.
Mistake number 3, doing it once and expecting miracles. It's not magic. It feels like magic because small steps create big results.
Echo practice is like brushing your teeth. You do it every day. Small, simple, automatic.
I had a student who practiced one Netflix sentence every night. Just one.
After 1 month, her English sounded completely different. Smoother, faster, more natural.
And I had a student who used echo practice while walking to work. 2 minutes of repeating short lines from a podcast. After 2 weeks, he told me he started thinking in English automatically.
Because echoing trains your brain to switch into English mode instantly.
This method builds real English skills. Speaking rhythm, listening accuracy, confidence, natural intonation.
You literally borrow the voice of a native speaker, and your brain rewires itself to match that voice.
You can even use music. Not the whole song, just one line. Sing it loudly. Feel the energy.
Yes, I once practiced a high-note English line so intensely that I burned my toast.
She nearly burned the kitchen, but her pronunciation sounded fantastic.
See? English can even distract you from breakfast. That's how powerful echo practice is.
Let's give them a simple 5-minute routine, something anyone can start right now.
Here it is. 1 minute of listening, 2 minutes of echoing, 1 minute of repeating again, and 1 minute of speaking freely using the words you learned.
That's it. 5 minutes, and your English will slowly transform.
You can do this anywhere, in the kitchen, in the car, in your room, even while getting dressed for work.
Just maybe not while brushing your teeth. You'll sound like, I get better every brush, brush, brush.
But yes, it works even in noisy places.
Here's what happens when you use this method.
After 1 week, your sentences feel smoother. After 2 weeks, your brain starts remembering phrases automatically. After 1 month, conversations feel more easy and natural.
Because your mouth learns the movements, your ears learn the rhythm, your brain learns the flow.
It's like borrowing a native speaker's speaking style for 5 minutes a day.
It even improves your listening. You start understanding fast English in movies.
Let's give them one more line for today.
Here it is. Small daily practice creates big results.
Repeat it. Let it sink in. Let it become part of your daily habit.
If you want to grow even faster, record your echo practice, even 10 seconds.
Listening to your own voice is like looking into a mirror. You instantly see what to improve.
Before we wrap up, remember this. Don't underestimate small steps. They change everything.
Your future English self will thank you. 5 minutes, 1 sentence, 1 echo, every day.
We believe in you. Truly. because we've seen this method change thousands of learners.
Thank you for listening to Speak English Daily. Try one tiny echo clip today and tell us in the comments what you practiced.
See you in the next episode. And yes, keep echoing. It works.